Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this impact wrench and driver that I purchased off eBay. I'll let you decide for yourselves how you want to pronounce the name of that. But let's move over to the workbench and take a look. Okay, let's have a look what we get in the box. And again, it was literally just a box. There's no plastic storage case with this. So you get the driver itself, 21 volt battery, a charger, and of course the manual. The driver itself, in respect to the wrench facility of it, it's 1/2 inch fitting on the front there for the wrench, 3/8 there for the driver, forward, reverse, battery indicator on the driver itself. The driver itself feels really comfortable in the hand, nice rubberized grip. Did forget to mention that you do also get the light on the front there. And today what we're going to be attempting to do is to drive this 140mm screw or fastener and this 100mm screw fastener bolt. I have put together a bit of a prop here, a wooden sandwich if you like, maybe. 2 pieces of decking board, piece of rough cut timber, and just to spice it up a little bit I've got 2 pieces of hardwood there. Okay, so let me get set up and we'll see what this cheap impact wrench driver can or can't do. Okay, I will point out to start with that I'm not looking or expecting to break any speed records with this, just to see whether or not it's going to be adequate enough to do those everyday household jobs or projects. Okay, we'll start off with the 140mm screw. Nothing wrong with that. There you go, straight through. 2 pieces of decking, piece of rough timber, 2 pieces of hardwood. Suppose we ought to see whether it can fetch it back out again. Yeah, it'll do for me. Okay, and now we'll go with the 100mm 13mm socket fastener. Nothing wrong with that. And back out again. No complaints from me. Okay, final thoughts on this impact wrench driver. I will add, I paid £23 for it off eBay. Like I said at the beginning of the demonstration, I wasn't looking to beat any speed records with this tool, but it performed adequately as far as I'm concerned. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.